In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable template in Microsoft Planner manually. Planner doesn't currently have a native Save as Template button, so the best way to standardize recurring work is to copy an existing plan and use that copy as your template. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can set this up once and reuse it anytime. First, go to Microsoft Planner. Open the workspace where your plan lives so you can see the board with your buckets and tasks. Make sure you're looking at the plan you want to model future projects on. Ideally, one that already has the right buckets, task names, checklists, and labels. This will ensure the copy you make is truly useful. Next, select the plan and in the top left corner, click the title of the plan. That title area is your gateway to plan-level actions and settings. When you click the title, Planner brings up options related to the plan itself, not just individual tasks, which is exactly what we need for creating a reusable version. Now click Copy Plan. This command duplicates the structure of your plan so you don't have to rebuild it from scratch each time. The copy will include your buckets, tasks, descriptions, checklists, and labels. Depending on your organization's settings, some details like assignments or attachments may not carry over, and that's normal. The key idea is that the copy keeps your framework intact, which is what makes it valuable as a template. Once the plan has been copied, rename it as your template. Give it a clear, recognizable name so it stands out. For example, Template, Marketing Campaign, or Template, Onboarding Workflow. The name is important because you'll come back to this plan whenever you want to kick off a new project using the same structure. Treat it like your master blueprint. From here on out, whenever you need this setup, just copy this template plan again and use the fresh copy for your new plan. That way, your original template stays clean and ready for the next project. To recap the logic, because you can't save a plan as a template directly in Planner, you create a copy and designate that copy as your template. It's simple, reliable, and keeps your team consistent. Keep this template easy to find, and you'll launch new plans in seconds with the same structure every time.